Hi everyone, this is my About the Author presentation. My name is Maria Rodriguez. I was born in Venezuela and have been living in Houston for about 10 years. I have a bachelor's degree in hotel and restaurant management from the University of Houston. And after a few years working in the field, I realized that it wasn't what I wanted to do. So I tried a career change that led me to teaching. I'm currently pursuing a master's in curriculum and instruction, and my goal is to become a reading specialist. I work with the Houston Independent School District, and this week I started my 4th year of teaching. I started teaching 3rd grade, moved to kinder, and came back to 3rd grade last year. This year I will continue teaching that same grade. For the past 3 years, I've taught dual language. I started teaching dual language when I taught kindergarten, then last year, and this year is my 3rd year. In the top picture, you will see my parents who still live in Venezuela, my older sister and her daughter who is starting 4th grade. The one who's taking the picture is my younger sister. I also have a younger brother, but he's not in this picture. He really doesn't like them. My favorite place that I've ever been to is Paris, and I was able to go with a couple of my aunts and my cousins. It was a lot of fun. I love soccer, and my team is Chelsea Football Club, and that is a team from England. I also love dogs, and we used to have one. We had him for about 15 years, and his name was Eric. I miss him very much. My areas of interest in education. These include teaching students how to read. This is something that I learned how to do while I taught kindergarten. I also like coaching teachers, and I've had this opportunity with the HISD mentor program. So for the last couple of years, I've had mentees that I've taught everything that I know to throughout the year. They're usually new teachers, and it has been a great experience for me. I also like creating lessons, planning lessons, especially for reading. This is something that I've been very interested in since I started teaching my first year in 3rd grade. And this is something that I could hope to continue developing. Lastly, HIC offers a lot of professional development sessions, and the best one that I have been to is a session called Transfer of Concepts and Skills Across Languages. The presenter is Dr. Sandra Mercuri. She has written books about dual language, and I have learned a lot about language transfer and how it helps students learn a new language. I have been to her session a couple of times, and every time I go, I learn something new. So she is a presenter that I really, really love to see. She's very open and she's very engaging. And if you teach dual language or if you're interested in learning about dual language and language transfer, I very much encourage you to look her up and go to one of her sessions. And that is all about me. Thank you.